In 5 minutes from now, you can be up and running as a Clickbank affiliate, making up to 75% in commissions on your sales. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you create the business and life you deserve. So make sure to hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on everything online business. We're going to show you how to sign up as a Clickbank affiliate, complete your profile, and then create an affiliate link that you can post on your marketing platform so that your audience can click, buy, and you get paid. All in less than 5 minutes. Clickbank is empowering entrepreneurs like you and me with their affiliate marketplace, so that you can make money as an affiliate without ever having to create a product, worry about customer care or payment details. Clickbank is taking care of the whole infrastructure for us. Hit like if you think that sounds pretty cool. Why is Clickbank so perfect for beginner affiliates? Because it's free and quick to sign up, and there are no specific requirements. Tell me in the comments how excited you are to get started. Head over to clickbank.com/affiliates. Clickbank has been around since '99 and have paid over $5 billion crazy dollars in commissions since that time. Over 100,000 affiliates worldwide choose to use Clickbank for their affiliate marketing business. Press start here and then just skip this quick start guide for now. Then scroll down where it says country. Choose your country. Put your first name, your last name, and your phone number and email address. And then a password that has at least 2 lowercase characters, 2 uppercase, 2 numbers, 2 special characters, and no longer than 32. Make a note of it so that you don't forget. Then read the terms and conditions so that you can approve them and agree to them, and then click join Clickbank. You can join their free Facebook group if you want to. Maybe that is a really good idea to join so that you get some insights on how to be an affiliate for Clickbank. Now it's time to complete your profile. Just press the complete my profile button. Put your name and then also how you want to promote products. As an affiliate, for example, your company name and revenue, and then you're good to go to create your account nickname. So we're going to scroll down and push that button. And then create nickname. Your account type is affiliate, and your nickname could be Malin. It's immediately going to tell you if it's taken, so I'm going to add a couple of letters. Malin, Lin, that will be good. I'm going to sign up with that nickname. Just press the button and then you're good to go. I want to show you that at the bottom of the affiliates page, Clickbank has top product categories that you can easily explore. For example, if you're in weight loss and health, you could explore those top programs. You have the 10 top ones here, for example, the smoothie diet. Now you can look at this product owner or service owner. Here you can see their commissions, you can click onto their website, you can check out their landing page and make up your mind if you think this is a good offer for your audience, if it's suitable for you to promote this to your audience. And then I'm going to show you how to grab their affiliate link. So you're going to head over to Affiliate Marketplace and you're going to search for the smoothie diet, and it's at the top. It also tells you that they have recurring commissions, they have one-time commissions, etc. And their average dollar per conversion is $28.95. So if you want to promote this smoothie diet, you just push the promote button to create an affiliate link. Your nickname, account, remember, Malin, Lin. And then if you want to, a tracking ID going with your link. I'm just going to put smoothie and then create the hop link. Here it is. And you can copy it and put it in your marketing material. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and just put it in the description of one of my videos. And voila, there we go. You have the link, but that's not enough. Learn how to market that link to your audience by watching this video next. I'll see you in that one.